our last video with red cabbage and the color changes that we got when adding acid and base. If you save the juice, you can do a couple of other fun experiments with that as well. Let's go ahead and separate the cabbage from the water that it boiled in, okay? Great job, Lexi. So you can see that these colors are actually very dark. And in fact, you could even dye Easter eggs with this and get some beautiful pastel colored Easter eggs. But today, we're gonna try to get a few more colors of the rainbow using some other things. So you'll notice here, we have eggs, a light colored juice. I just have 100% grape juice, or they call it white grape juice, and some dish soap. So I realized this isn't food, but we needed something that was a very high base in order to complete the rainbow. I also have here a graduated flask to help in measuring out our volumes. So Lexi, if you would please put 10 milliliters of the purple juice, so our control, into 4 of our 6 test tubes. Lexi is now going to separate the egg white from the yolk. We're going to use just the egg white. Put 15 milliliters into one of these tubes. 15 milliliters of soap in the next tube. 15 milliliters of grape juice in the next tube. Okay, so now we have a hue of colors all developed from red cabbage. This here was the cabbage that we had boiled previously in the presence of baking soda. So this is our most basic pH, up to about a pH of 8. This one here is mixed with egg white. And you can see that it's a little bit more of a teal color, which means that the pH level has gone down a little bit. So this is about a pH of 7.5, 7.9, somewhere around in there. This tube here was the grape juice. So you can see that grape juice is even a little bit more pink. Down here is the soap. Lemon, this was the one that we did in the previous segment as well. So it's the red cabbage juice with lemon in it. So it's much more acidic. And here is our control, way down at the bottom of a purple. So this beautiful hue, you can use this same experiment by boiling your red cabbage, getting your juice, and then adding all sorts of different things from your kitchen or your pantry to see what the pH level is. Comparing this to this whole rainbow here will give you an indication of approximately the pH value of which that food is.